Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, tutorials, all sorts of things. So if you're interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Okay, so today is one of my favorite videos. As you all know, Stitch Fix has arrived for the month of June. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me first read the note from Michelle. I have already opened up the box. I have tried everything on. I'll be trying everything on right here next to me. And as always, don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of each item. But it says, "Hi Vivian, happy Fix Day. It's finally warm. Yay!" I'm sending some styles to keep you cool and comfortable this summer, whether at work or casually. I know you're looking for some great wide leg pants with a drawstring waist, so I'm sending the Liverpool linen pants for you to try. The linen and tencel blend will keep you comfortable as the air heats up. I also checked out your Pinterest board and noticed you pinned some shorter styles, so I'm sending the S&D pants. Try them with a hazel top and a pair of espadrille wedges. The Liverpool denim jacket is just what you're looking for to layer over your favorite tops and dresses. It has stretch and may be one of the most comfortable denim jackets you've ever put on. Let me know what you think. XO Michelle. She's awesome. She's been my stylist pretty much from day one. So I will leave my referral link below if you guys are interested in looking at Stitch Fix, what it's all about. The first thing I want to talk about was the item that I wanted to work the most. This is the Goldray Kalli knit jumpsuit in black in a size small. It is right here. This is the hanger, so this is not part of the jumpsuit. It is a V-neck, keyhole button right on the back, short sleeve, super lightweight. I believe this is a knit jumpsuit, so really lightweight, great for summer. It's got some, you know, bow details here, which I think add here to my waist where I kind of don't want to add. But it's got pockets. I love that. Both sides. It's just super simple, and it's just very flowy, but it is quite long on me. I definitely would have to have it hemmed. And with it being knit, it's not really anything I can do here at home. I'd actually have to go take it in. So that's kind of a thumbs down in terms of having to do that, because I am a shorty, of course, so everything has to be pretty much hemmed. But I've been really wanting a jumpsuit. This one, unfortunately, I think is a little off the mark. You guys can let me know in the comments if I'm off base here, but I think this doesn't go with my torso. Kind of rides up my butt a little bit, so I don't like that. Showed it to my husband. He was like, no. Didn't even like question it, not even think about it. He was like, no. Did not like it at all. So I think it's a combination of a few things. I think the bows here kind of throw it off a little bit. Again, goes up my butt and too long. So I really wanted to have this work though. I've been wanting a black jumpsuit. I think it's just awesome and be all purpose. You can throw it on with a denim jacket and go out for dinner. You can have it be casual. You can put on some sandals. So I'll probably send it back. But as always, at the end of the video, I will always write in what I decided to keep, if anything, and what I paid, so that you guys are aware of what I finally decided on. But definitely leave me a comment below, because I love to take your input even for my next fixes and see if I'm off at all, which I always like to hear. So let me know what you think of this. Let me know if any of you guys have a jumpsuit, even if it's not from Stitch Fix, where it's from. Maybe I could try and check it out, because I'm really wanting one for summer. I think it'd be cute even going out. The price on this is $74, so I thought the price was right on. Okay, so the second item on the list is the Liverpool Perry Powerflex denim jacket in black in a size medium, and the cost is $98. I will have everything listed down in the description box below too, in case you missed what I'm saying, and I'll also try and link each item. If I can't find the item, I'll try and link something similar if you're not part of Stitch Fix, just so that you are able to get the item. A lot of times I'm able to even find some stuff cheaper, so that's very similar. So definitely check out the description box below. This denim jacket isn't really denim. It is really nice, really comfortable. I was always like looking for a denim jacket in black, and it's crazy when I saw this. I'm like, oh yeah, okay, that's kind of what I want. And then I touched it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's kind of like just a very soft knit material. So I think I kind of like it even more than a stiff, you know, denim jacket. So I'm leaning towards keeping this. I don't know that I'm going to wear it too much right now. I mean, it's not super heavy, so I guess on like a cool summer night it would be, you know, nice to just have something to throw on. That's the only thing that might sway me to send it back, but then you always wonder, oh, I'm probably never going to get the chance to purchase it again. So you know, things sell out and so forth. So I like the Liverpool brand. I think they're a very quality brand. I do have some pants from Liverpool, which I really love. So I don't know, I think this would be pretty versatile, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, the next item on the list are the S&D Finola linen straight leg pant in white in a size medium, and these are $68. Really like these pants. I'm kind of on the fence though. So they are an elastic waist. Love that, super comfortable. Love the print. It's just kind of like a simple, almost looks like a J. Crew type of pant. Just a really simple blue and white striped, maybe a little bit of like beige or tan in there. Wide hem, which I love at the bottom. Just really flowy, comfortable, simple, great for summer. They might be a hint short, but I don't care. I think I could wear them still with wedges. I think I can wear them with sandals. I'd probably just lean with wearing them with flats most of the time, so I think they would work for me. I don't know. They're not the most flattering, but it's almost like, do I care about that so much? They're just so comfortable and cute with like a little white t-shirt. You'll see me trying it on here with a white shirt and my Tory Burch sandals, and I think it looks kind of cute, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not, but again, I'll let you know at the end of the video, but let me know what you guys think of how they look. I don't know if you guys saw some of my previous videos. I am being really picky about what I decide to keep right now and, you know, how much I'm paying for the items. So if it turns out that I end up sending everything back, it's not that I didn't really like the items or so forth. Maybe it's just something I didn't need right now, or maybe it was just priced a little bit too high, because everything in this box I really like. Is there anything that just totally grabs me and says, like, you know, you have to buy me? Not really. The next item is the Level 99 Lorelei linen pant in olive in a size 4, $118. So right off the bat, I probably won't keep these just because of the price, to be honest. Also, I would have to take them in because the length is way too long. So there's going to be at least 20, 25 bucks to get them hemmed. And then on top of the $118 pant. Not gonna happen. So, but I love them. I really do. They're just a super cool pant. I think you could wear them to work. You know, you can dress these up. I'm trying them on with a pair of wedges. I think they would look super cute once I got them hemmed because they are still even too long with a wedge. So I definitely couldn't wear them right now with a sandal. Just really super cute. Here they are. I love the button fly detail. I love that they have a tie waist. I love the pockets. They're super comfortable. Of course, I don't like that they're a linen pant, which means you have to iron them or steam them pretty much every time you wore them, which again adds to my cons of not keeping them apart from the price. But overall though, if you're looking for a really cool linen pant that's perfect now for summer, spring, summer, these are awesome if you don't care about the price. But they're just a little too pricey for me, but they're really simple. They have cute pockets in the back. I think it makes my butt look really cute. And the last item is this top right here. This is the Hazel Wayne crochet cotton blend top in white in a size medium, and this top is $64. So it's just really feminine, flowy, really pretty. The detail is really nice with the embroidery right there on each side. It's got a built-in cami, which is super nice. So if you guys can see that right there. Just really nice to have that be part of your layering piece so you don't have to think about that. Just kind of like a little flutter sleeve. Really cute keyhole button opening back there. So it's just a cute little top. Is it me? Absolutely not. You could wear it with pretty much anything though, the whole summer, spring and summer. I think you could wear this to the office. I think you could wear it out. I think you could be casual with just like a pair of jeans and some sneakers. This is very versatile, but it's just really not me. I'm glad I got the chance to try it though. Also the price at $64 for a top like this, probably a little too much. So I'm probably going to be sending this back, but let me know what you guys think about this style and the flutter sleeve and the embroidery. So that is everything in my Stitch Fix for this month, and my total is $422. If I were to buy all 5, I would get a 25% discount of $105.50, so I'd have a subs total of $316.50. I am not keeping all 5 items. I know that right off the bat, but stay tuned to the end to find out what I decided to keep. And I think it's a pretty good box. I'm going to definitely give this a thumbs up. I like everything in the box. There's nothing absolutely hideous that I absolutely was like, oh, I would never wear this. You know, the flutter sleeves top isn't really my style, but is it cute? Yes. Is it feminine? Yes. Is it versatile? Yes. Would I be able to wear it now in the spring and summer? Absolutely. But it's a little bit high priced. So I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I will definitely let you guys know. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.